crude oil prices are falling. Do you think we are immediately going to be able to shift back to the macroeconomic conditions that were favoring us before? Because recently fuel price did increase a little bit. People were a little bit annoyed about it, but obviously a significant percentage se wo increase nahi hui thi, so people weren't too upset. But do you think things will normalize relatively faster? Is there a timeline? Is there any amount of time that we can expect for things to get better during?
Yeah, because I mentioned the current account deficit
Yeah,
impact of oil.
yeah.
Similarly, a $5 swing in oil prices or change in oil prices impacts inflation to the tune of about 25 basis points, right? 25 bips. And if yes, we have increased the fuel prices in the last announcement, but if the oil prices come down, we're also going to revise it downwards. Now, if we revise it downwards, then the inflation outlook for FY26 also reduces. We
Lovely.
probably lie. We have a range.
Yeah.
We'll probably be in the middle part of the range, which is positive and gives more space to the state bank to have a positive stance on the monetary policy,
Definitely. So 10 days
which will
ago, the
again induce development.
definitely. So 10 days ago, the fuel prices were increased, अगले 15 दिन के लिए, which was actually a great little prediction that our government did there. Almost like just missed it by 2 days of how long they thought the conflict would last. Do you really think they're going to roll over this price decrease onto the masses, or do you think they might reallocate it like they did last time?
There might be a bit of reallocation, maybe not so early, maybe slightly. We'll see how the tax collection goes this year, possibly in the first quarter, and then there may be a slight shift. I mean, we have the allocation for a higher PDL, but right now I think PDL is stable around 78. We're still not certain on the sales tax right now. There may be an increase on that. We're still not certain right now. So if that happens, then obviously the prices go. Then there is going to be reallocation. But I feel it's going to be passed on to the masses at this point in time.